Always wanted to do welding. Army veteran, and I had the GI Bill, so figured use that and have a skill. Good trade, good career. Show up on time, take pride in your work, and be consistent. What I like about the Beal program is you're welding all the time. You're not breaking it up into longer days. It's Monday through Thursday, 7 hours a day. The other programs in the other schools are, a couple hours here every other day or so, and I'd rather just be welding the entire time. You're not going to read a book and just learn how to weld. You got to be out there welding.
Get hands-on training and fast-track your career as a welder at Beal University. Earn a diploma in just 8 months. Or get broader training and earn an associate degree in just 16 months. Scholarships are available to those who qualify. Apply today. Beal's next welding program starts July 1st.
I'm Travis. I'm the first generation to go to college in my family. I graduated from Beal University with an associate's degree in welding.